Good day everyone. Today we will talk about the 5-number system. First in the list is the binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, and then hexadecimal to binary. So binary to decimal. This is the process of converting a base 2 or binary number made of zeros and ones into its equivalent base 10 or decimal value using the power of 2 and the positional notation method. So now, how we convert binary to decimal? First, we need to identify the place value for each binary digit starting from the rightmost digit as 2 to the power of 0, then 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, and so on and so forth. And then, next is multiply each binary digit by its corresponding power of 2. And then let's sum all the result to get the final decimal number. For example, convert the binary number to 10101 to decimal. So first, we need to write the binary digits which is this 10101 here. And then, next is place values from the right to left. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, and 2 to the power of 4. Here's the calculation. This is the binary digits. This is the binary digits 10101. In the first position, 1 position is 4, then 0 position is 3, 1 position is 2, and 0 position is 1, and then 1 position is 0. So 1 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So, paano natin makukuha yung quotient? So, 1, yun, copy natin yung 1 times, copy din, and then 2 to the power of 4, multiply it. So, we get that 16. And then, 0, copy, multiply, copy, and then 2 to the power of 3, multiply again, we got that 9. And then 1 times 2 to the power of 2, we copy this 1 here, and then multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 0, copy, multiply, copy, 2 to the power of 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So copy, multiply, copy, and then 2 times 0 is 1. So 1 times 16 is 16, plus 0 times 9 is equal to 0, and then plus 1 times 4 is equal to 4, plus 0 times 2 is equal to 0, plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So we got that 16 plus 0 plus 4, 20, plus 0, 0, plus 1 is 21. Here, 21. So the binary number 10101 is equal to the decimal number 21. Yes, 21. So here naman tayo sa pangalawang number system, which is decimal to binary. So what is decimal to binary? It is the process of converting a base 10 or decimal number into its equivalent base 2 binary representation, which uses only the digits 0 and 9. So, these are the methods. First is divide the decimal number by 2. It says here, we need to divide the decimal number by 2, and then record the remainder either 0 or 1. And then third, use the quotient, the whole number result of the divisions for the next step. And then repeat the steps 1 to 3. So, sabi dito, kailangan lang natin ulitin until the quotient becomes 0. Hanggang makuha daw natin yung quotient na 0. And then, write the remainders in reverse order, starting with the last remainder you record. So, ito yung example natin. Convert the decimal to binary. So, the decimal number is 13. So, ayun. 13 divided by 2 is 6. So, 13 divided by 2 is 6, remainder of 1. Ayun, may remainder of 1. So, yung quotient, yun yung ikakopy natin ulit para sa susunod. And then, divided by 2 again. Kasi, sabi dito, divide the decimal number by 2. And then, repeat steps 1 to 3 until the quotient becomes 0. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Remainder of 0. Ayun. 0. Ayun. Nakuha na yung quotient na 0. So, ulitin natin. Copy natin yung 3 and then divided by 2 is equal to 1. Siyempre, may remainder of 1. And then, copy ulit, then divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Remainder of 1. And then, sabi dito, write the remainders in reverse order. So, starting the last remainder you record. So, sabi dito, yung remainder daw na pinakahuli, yun yung gagamitin natin pataas. Pabaliktad naman. Tapos yung nasa taas, yun yung bababa. So, now, we can write the remainders in reverse order. 1011. Ayun, 1011. So, we need natin daw i-reverse yung mga remainders. So, yung reverse ng remainders natin sa taas dito is 1100. Tulad ng sabi ko dito, yung pinakalas kailangan nating i-reverse pataas. Then yung nasa taas kailangan nating i-reverse ng pababa. So, therefore, the decimal number 13 is equivalent to 1101. Yun. Ito yung reverse ng remainder natin kanina. In binary, 13th base 10 is equal to 1101. Ayun. 1101. So, ito yung reverse ng remainder natin dito sa taas. So, next number system natin is decimal to hexadecimal. So, what is decimal to hexadecimal? Conversion is the process of converting a number from the decimal numerical system base 10 to the hexadecimal numerical system base 16. So, take note that decimal base 10 uses only 10 digits. So, magsisimula tayo sa 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayun. Andun yung base 10. And then yung hexadecimal naman ng base 16 uses 16 symbols, the digits 0 to 9, and the letters. So, ano mga ba yung mga letters? Yung mga letters ay A, B, C, D, E, F. Ano yun? Where A is equivalent to 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. For example, convert the decimal number 495. Ito yung decimal number natin na hahanapin para gawing hexadecimal. So, 495 divided by 16 is 30. Ito, yung 30. At may remainder daw siya ng 15. Huwag muna natin pakalaman to. Hayaan muna natin. Dito muna tayo mag-focus. And then, 30 divided by 16. Yung quotient dito, yun yung gagamitin nating sunod na i-divide sa 16. Again. 16 is ito yung symbol. 30 divided by 16 is 1 with a remainder of 14. And then ulit, 14. And then yung quotient dito na 1, divide mo ulit sa 16. Is 0. Remainder of 1. So, yung hinahanap dito naman is yung hexadecimal. Ito. Hexadecimal yung hinahanap. So, sabi dito, 495 divided by 16 is 30 with a remainder of 15. So, focus tayo dito sa taas, yung letter. Asan yung 15 yan? Yung letter F. So, yung hexadecimal digit ng 15 is letter F. Tapos, yung 30 divided by 16 is equal to 1 with a remainder of 14. So, yung 14. 14 dito is letter E. So, yun ang ilalagay sa hexadecimal digit. Tapos, ito, i-copy lang natin. Ayun, copy lang. So, reading the hexadecimal digits from bottom to top, we get, ayun, ito daw, i-read natin na sa hexadecimal digit, bottom to top, pataas ulit. So, mas una yung 1, yung decimal base 10. Ito yung decimal base 10. 1, ayun, tapos yung sunod is 14, yung hexadecimal base 16, letter E. Tapos yung 15, letter F, ayun. Ito yung hexadecimal digit niyan. So, therefore, the decimal number 495 is equal to the hexadecimal number 1EF. Gets? Dito natin kinuha yung letter. Ito, yung hexadecimal base 16. Kasi yung hexadecimal base 16 is letters. Yung 16 symbols, the digit 0 to 9 is 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito, yung tinatawag na base 16. Lahat. Kasama na yung numbers and letters. So, ito yung hexadecimal digit ng problem natin. Example problem 495. So, dito naman tayo sa pinakahuling numerical number, which is hexadecimal to binary. So, what is hexadecimal to binary? Conversion is the process of converting a number from the hexadecimal numerical system base 16. So, yung sinasabing hexadecimal numerical system base 16 is ito. Itong lahat. Kasali na lahat yung number hanggang yung letters. Tapos, ito naman yung binary numerical system base 2. Ito yung table na. So, yung 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then, yung letter A hanggang F is A, 1010, B 1011, C 1100, D 1101, E 1110, and letter F is 1111. So, sabi dito, replace each hexadecimal digit with its corresponding 4-bit binary equivalent. Tapos, concatenate the binary sequences to form a complete binary problems. So, for example, ito yung hexadecimal number 3A9. I-convert daw natin sa binary. So, paano nga ba yun? Paano natin i-convert yung 3A9 to binary? So, 3, isulat yung 3A9 in hexadecimal is, ano yung nandito, yung number 3. Ano yung binary niyan? Ito. 0010. So, yung ilalagay natin doon is 0010. Tapos, yung letter A dito. Ano yung letter A dito? Ito. Yan. 1010. 1010. Tapos, ano yung 9? 9. So, 1001. Ito yung ilalagay natin. So, sorry po, may correction po eh. Ito po yung 3 in hexadecimal is 0011 dapat yun. In binary. So, paano yung sinasabi natin kanina na concatenate? So, yung concatenate na sinasabi, ito, yung nakuha natin. Isulat lahat. Ganito, 0011, tapos 1010, tapos 1001. Yan, yung sinasabi nating concatenate. Ito. So, pwede daw natin tanggalin yung leading zeros dito. Tapos, ito yung sagot sa problem natin. Example, sa 3A9, ito.